I really don't like having too many different tabs and tools open when I work. That's why I love using Skywork AI, the all-in-one AI workspace that includes every tool I need. Skywork AI excels at conducting comprehensive research using its deep research engine, pulling insights from hundreds or even thousands of sources and delivering traceable citation-backed outputs. You can upload any files like documents, visuals, and videos into the knowledge base and use them inside the agents. It comes with 8 different agents. There's the general agent, which handles basic tasks. In the documents, slides, and sheets agents, you can create in-depth research reports. Skywork offers a variety of templates for each agent. You can browse the designs and simply click Use this template. Based on the deep research results, the agent can generate documents, presentations, and spreadsheets on any topic, and it provides sources and citations so you can easily verify the information. In the posters agent, you can create visuals. You can even create websites and landing pages, and Skywork automatically handles the layout, sections, headings, and overall design for you. Or you can simply use the pre-made templates and make any changes you need. You can even create podcasts tailored to your needs. And you can create presentations, infographics, or mind maps directly from a YouTube video. Just copy the YouTube link, paste it into the YouTube agent, and it will generate whatever you request in your prompt. Skywork also offers a professional data option, giving you access to real-time data from more than 400 sources. You can also schedule tasks for different agents, which will run automatically. This is useful for recurring activities such as performing regular stock market analysis. You can even choose the exact time you want each task to be executed. So I want to start an e-commerce business, and lately I've been seeing robot vacuum cleaners go viral. So I want to start selling this product. I'll ask Skywork AI to do the market research for this category, find suppliers, check the wholesale prices, identify the optimal selling price, and then create a full cost analysis in a spreadsheet. I also want a complete financial model, including cash flow projections, a profit and loss statement, and a break-even analysis. Then I want Skywork to create the product website, generate image and video creatives for the campaign, and write the ad copy. So let's try using Skywork for deep market research. For deep research, you can choose between fast mode and deep mode. I will proceed with fast mode. I prepared my prompt. I want Skywork to do the market research for the robot vacuum cleaner market in the United States, include suppliers, their prices, and minimum order quantities, identify the selling price that would allow my shop to become profitable within the first 6 months, do a competitor analysis, and identify the best sales platforms and the best advertising channels. It takes a few minutes to generate the report, and now it's ready. Skywork answered all my questions. The report includes supplier research, wholesale pricing, and a bar chart comparing wholesale prices with retail prices. You can view all the sources used for the chart. The report also covers cost analysis and pricing strategy, including tariff information, and lists all potential operating and business costs. There is a section on profit margin and break-even considerations. It also includes a chart showing the break-even price per unit versus order quantity, along with scenario-based pricing insights. The report also includes competitor analysis, recommended sales channels, marketing strategy, content strategy, and a proposed marketing budget. You can easily download the report as a document, PDF, or HTML file. Now I'll add another prompt. I want to buy 1,000 units from the cheapest supplier. Please calculate my unit cost and suggest a selling price that would allow me to become profitable within the first 6 months. Skywork suggests switching to Sheets for a better result. So let's continue in Sheets. The Sheets agent created the cost analysis file with 2 tabs, cost analysis and 6-month projections. In the first tab, it includes suppliers and their pricing and identifies the best wholesale price found on Alibaba. It adds all logistics costs per unit, selling costs, and operating costs. Then it provides pricing scenarios. It also includes a market price comparison with similar competing products. In the 6-month projection tab, we can see projected revenue, product cost, and profit. It shows that I need to sell around 167 units per month to become profitable. I can also change the number of units sold, and because the sheet contains formulas, everything updates automatically. I find the results really impressive. Next, I want to create another financial model, a 12-month P&L and cash flow model, unit economics, break-even analysis, ROI, and payback period, plus 3 scenarios, base, optimistic, and pessimistic. And the model is ready. The financial model contains all the tabs I requested. The first tab includes all assumptions: unit cost, marketing and customer acquisition costs, monthly units sold, initial investment, and operating costs across the 3 scenarios. Then it includes the P&L statement for each scenario, cash flow analysis, and an executive summary comparing all metrics, break-even analysis, and return on investment for each scenario. You can easily download the file as an Excel file with formulas included. After creating the financial model and selecting my selling price, now I want to build the website. I have prepared the prompt for the website agent. I want the website to include the price, technical features and specifications, high-quality product images, a detailed FAQ section, and a strong buy now call to action. I want it to use a dark theme design and look modern and premium. It will take some time to create the website. After a minute, the website is ready. It looks premium and includes everything I asked for: price, features, technical specifications, FAQs, and call to action. I'm very satisfied with it. Now it's time to create the advertising campaign text. I asked the documents agent to create ad copy for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. For each platform, produce primary text, headline, description, and recommended CTA. The ads should be optimized for high conversions and follow each platform's best practices. After a minute, the report is ready. Skywork prepares the full ad copy for all platforms, including bidding strategies and audience targeting. I find this incredibly helpful. Now that the ad text is ready, it's time to create the visual creatives. Skywork added the Nano Banana Pro model, which generates product ad images in different sizes, without any reference photos. The Deep agent extracts the product image on its own. I prepared my prompt: generate image ads for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Display in all required formats. The style should match the website. And within a minute, Skywork generated all the requested image formats with beautiful designs. Let's also try creating a product video. For this, we will use a general agent. I prepared the prompt to create a horizontal promotional video. And in a minute, the video is ready. You can easily download the video for further use. As you can see, you can create everything in one place with Skywork. You can start your entire business using just one tool. I have included all the prompts used in this video in the description. If you want to try it out, you'll find the link in the description below.